students, and welcome to week 15 in your online general psychology course. This is our last week of regular classes, as next week, week 16, is final exam week. So I'll preview both so that you can start planning for your final exam. So this week we will cover our last chapter, which is over the psychological disorders. So let's take a look at our module here. So your narrated PowerPoint is in here. I also do have some information, I'll talk about it, but I have some information in here about the final exam and how to prepare for it, which will be next week. Your Connect assignments are distinguishing abnormality, a newsflash on a smartphone app for help with people with schizophrenia, and then a Connect assignment on major depressive disorders. So 3 Connect assignments, and then your final quiz, your Chapter 15 post-test there. So no writing assignments, your 3 Connect assignments, and then your Chapter 15 quiz. Let's go ahead and look at next week. And next week you don't have a new chapter to cover. It's simply just your final exam. Your final exam will open up early so that you can have several days to choose when it's best for you to work on that final exam. The final exam will cover chapters 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So your midterm covered those first chapters, and then your final exam will cover after midterm to the end here. So those are the chapters. You'll be very familiar with the format of the final exam because it's in Connect, just like every chapter quiz was, and it will look as far as length and question types and so forth, obviously new material, but it will be very reminiscent of your midterm exam and what that looked like and how long that took you to complete and so forth. Again, it will open up a few days early. You will have until Wednesday, December 7th. So it is due. It doesn't matter when you take it. You don't have to wait till Wednesday, December 7th. You certainly can wait until that date if that works best for you. But it does need to be completed by Wednesday, December 7th. So last week, chapter 15, and then the next week, the final exam. If you have any questions whatsoever about the final exam or you need any help, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. I just would like to say here in closing that it has been a joy being your online professor this semester. I know it's a little different when it's an online class, so I hope these videos have helped you just feel kind of connected and know I'm here, and you could reach out to me, which many of you did, and it was great to Zoom with several of you throughout the semester. And if I didn't get to Zoom with you, I hope that meant because you were getting all the information that you needed and you weren't left with any questions. Good luck to each and every one of you. I hope you have a great winter break. Stay healthy, stay safe. And if there's anything I can do for you down the road, please do not hesitate to reach out. Happy holidays, everyone.